No?
Got a little bit of line. It's ready to go.
Alright, Nate, hit it first. Alright guys, thanks for checking out the channel again. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. A couple people have been hitting me up to do some more CNC videos, so without further ado guys, hope you like it. Alright Isaac, what's game plan?
We're gonna hit up the hot spot.
The hot spot, try and get a couple bass. Black and blue, got two of them tied up right here. And then you know you can't leave without the drop shot right here, right?
That's the deadly rig right there.
Yes sir.
Confidence bait.
Yep. That feels like a good one. Maybe a Kaweah, okay? Trout? No? Is it trout?
Oh, it is a trout. You have power bait?
Damn, boy!
You have power bait, Matt?
Keeper. Kaweah keeper, guys. How's it, Nate?
Good. Yeah,
Feels like a K.
there no. Brought it?
Jeez, that smell though. Relax. Relax, buddy. How's it feel? Big in?
Feels alright. Feels cool. You got a little bit of weight to it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, if it's fighting like that, it's probably pretty good.
Oh, watch out. Watch out.
Ooh. Damn, buddy. Fatty.
Good job, Nate.
Damn, that's thick. That was like a
Jeez.
God.
Nice.
Yay.
Alright. Did we throw in the same spot or no?
Oh,
Right there, no?
I see that one.
Nice. Oh, it's still there. Wow, dude.
Yeah. It was right here. I was closer to this edge.
Pete? Give it to you. Nice.
Smalley? Oh my gosh.
They still in there though.
This is probably the one that bit yours, bro.
Damn, that's a nice one too.
That was a good one, Nate. Largies?
Pretty thick, huh?
Yeah.
They're fat right here.
Thick, but short as hell. No?
That's it.
Bro, no. That was a big old belly, bro. But short. Damn.
That's like a chode. That's literally a chode.
Chode cove, right? Small.
First cast with his confidence bait. Look, Matt. Look,
Itty bitty.
it's coming up.
Icebreaker fish right there.
Mm-hmm.
Alright guys,
Cheers, guys.
gonna do a catch and cook for you guys today. Alright. Damn, this one's a feisty one. Alright guys, we're gonna cut up this largie. Try and make some lob for you guys, alright? Alright guys, let's go and fillet this fish. Right behind the gill. Okay. Follow the spine all the way down. Just sharpen this knife first, huh?
There's a sharpener on the case. Oh yeah, perfect.
Okay. So get it to the end, but don't cut it all the way off. Fillet it.
Try not to get the eggs.
All right, so next we're gonna go ahead and cut the backside. Keep it boneless. So everything from the rib and back is all gonna be boneless. Flip it, cut next to the rib cage. All this is gonna be boneless. And then flip the rib cage backwards. Just do your best to kind of go against the ribs. And that's it. So all that's boneless. This is the rib cage, and we gotta do the second side.
All right, we got some garlic, galanga, some ginger. Check that out. Lemongrass. All right, now I'm gonna just smack this up and chop it up. All right, now I'm gonna smack the garlic up. Throw these in there.
Good job, Chef Nancy.
All right, we got some lemon leaf. Yeah, it's lemon leaf. Throw a little bit in there. Couple Thai chilies. All right. Now time for the fish. All right, now we got these slabs. And we're just gonna chop them up. All right, now we're just gonna mix these. Find it good. That's cool right there. I'm making sure they heat up. And some salt. MSG. Pepper, Laab powder, all right, now we're just gonna mix these in together, just like that. Oops. Cool to make a mess. Oh, got a little bit of lime. It's ready to go.
All right, Nate, hit it first.
We got lettuce. We're just gonna grab a bite. Wrap it in the lettuce. Basil. Pork skin. This is how we do it.
How's it?
Fire.
All right, let's try it out.
All right, Isaac, hit it.
All right, so we wrap it up. Always wrap up, right, guys?
Mm-hmm.
What else? That's it?
Always wrap it up. If you want some basil,
All right, let's try to put that.
pork skin if you want,
Mint.
optional. I mean,
I'll just eat this first. All right, go.
all right, Isaac.
That's good. You done, right?
All right, I'm gonna try the pork.
That's spicy.
Mm-hmm.
That's spicy,
Go
yo.
with a little bit of the pork skin. Get a big piece for the guy with the big BMI.
That's actually good. No cap.
You was down with me.
No, I was down.
Yeah.
Bro,
That's good.
All right.
this is fresh, spicy.
Mm-hmm.
That's fire.
Good, bro. Good job, Nate. AKA Bang Buck, AKA Chef Gordon Ramsay.
Can't forget the mine haze.
Let me get another one. Pretty bomb.
Good job, bro. Alright guys, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Subscribe.
Subscribe,
Yep.
like,
If you
comment.
guys like the video. And this is how we make Laab.
See y'all next time.
Peace. Alright guys, so that's a wrap. As you can see, we had a pretty good day on the lake. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the CNC videos. Just comment below if you guys want to see more of these types of videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. See you in the next video.